मेरे तमाम देखने और सुनने वाले स्टूडेंट्स को अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की वीडियो है ऑडिटर या ऑडिटिंग ऑफिसर की जॉब के लिए। अगर आप किसी भी बैंक या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो टेस्ट देने से पहले इस वीडियो को ज़रूर आपने एंड तक देख लेना है। अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि नेक्स्ट आने वाली वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन भी मिलता रहे आपको। तो चलें जल्दी से आज का सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा पहला MCQs है। बैलेंस शीट ऑडिट इंक्लूड्स वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ डैश। ऑप्शन ए एसेट्स, ऑप्शन बी लाइबिलिटीज, ऑप्शन सी इनकम एंड एक्सपेंस अकाउंट वेयर अप्रोप्रिएट, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी इनकम एंड एक्सपेंस अकाउंट वेयर अप्रोप्रिएट। Question number 2. Which of the following cannot be appointed as a statutory auditor of the company? Option A internal auditor, option B external auditor, option C relative of auditor, and option D is all of above. Correct answer is option A internal auditor. Question number 3. An auditor is like a dash. Option A office boy, option B bloodhound, option C watchdog, and option D is none of these. Correct answer is option C watchdog. Question number 4. Overhead cost is the total of dash. Option A all direct cost, option B all indirect cost, option C direct and indirect cost, and option D is none of these. Correct answer is option B all indirect costs. Question number 5. The board of directors shall appoint first auditor of the company. Option A within 1 month of promotion of company, option B within 1 month of commencement of business of company, option C within 1 month of incorporation of company, and option D is all of above. Correct answer is option C within 1 month of incorporation of company. Question number 6. The scope of internal audit is decided by option A banks, option B government, option C shareholders, and option D is management. Correct answer is option D management. MCQ number 7. Auditing is compulsory for option A joint stock company, option B partnership firms, option C small scale business, and option D sole proprietorship. Correct answer is option A joint stock company. Question number 8 is ISQC is an abbreviation for option A International Standard on Quality Control, option B International Standard on Quantity Control, option C International Society for Quantity Control, and option D is International Society for Quality Compromise. Correct answer is option A International Standard on Quality Control. MCQs number 9. The main objective of audit is option A detection of error and fraud, option B prevention of error and fraud, option C depends on type of audit, option D is both A and B. Correct answer is option C depends on type of audit. Question number 10. Final audit is performed option A after the year ends, option B after 9 months of year, and option C is at the start of every year. Correct answer is option A after the year ends. MCQ number 11. IFAC is an abbreviation for option A International Federation of Accounts, option B International Federation of Auditors, option C International Framework for Accounting Concepts, option D is none of these. Correct answer is option A International Federation of Accounts. Next question. Which of these are types of audit reports? Option A qualified opinion, option B unqualified opinion, option C adverse disclaimer, option D disclaimer opinion, and option D is all of above. Correct answer is option E all of above. Question number 13. Warehouse rent is a part of option A distribution cost, option B factory cost, option C warehouse cost, option D none of these. Correct answer is option A distribution cost. Next MCQs is which of the following is a revenue reserve? Option A capital redemption reserve, option B debenture redemption reserve, option C security premium reserve, option D all of above. Correct answer is option B debenture redemption reserve. Next question is concurrent audit is a part of dash. Option A internal check system, option B internal audit system, option C continuous audit, Option D, external check system. Correct answer is option B, internal audit system. Next is International Standard of Auditing 230 requires to keep the audit files for at least 5 years, 3 years, 2 years or 1 year. Correct answer is option A, 5 years. Question number 17. The term of auditorship of the first auditor would be from the data of appointment till dash. Option A, the conclusion of statutory meeting. Option B, the conclusion of first annual general meeting. Option C, the conclusion of next annual general meeting. And option D is none of these. Correct answer is option B, the conclusion of first annual general meeting. Question number 18. Internal audit is undertaken by option A, independent auditor. Option B, statutorily appointed auditor. Option C, a person appointed by management. And option D is all of above. Correct answer is option C, a person appointed by management. Question number 19. Branch auditor is appointed by option A, shareholders in annual general meeting. Option B, shareholders in general meeting. Option C, board of directors in board meeting. And option D is none of these. Correct answer is option C, board of directors in board meeting. Next question is the term audit is derived from the Latin word audire, which means option A, inspect, option B, examine, and option C is hear. Correct answer is option C, hear. Question number 21. The branch auditor is appointed by option A, board of directors in board meeting. Option B, shareholders in general meeting. Option C, shareholders in annual general meeting. Correct answer is option B, shareholders in general meeting. MCQs number 22. Which of the following is a part of auditor's function? Option A, conducting the inventory count. Option B, calculating the year-end accruals figure for inclusions in the account. Option C, obtaining and evaluating audit evidence on financial statements. Correct answer is option C. Question number 23. The outcome of audit is option A, certificate. Option B, report. Option C, income and expenses. Option D, assets and liabilities. Correct answer is option B, report. Question number 24 is depreciation doesn't arise from option A, the market expectations. Option B, use. Option C, obsolescence through technology by market changes. Correct answer is option A, the market expectations. MCQs number 25. The dash certify or guarantee that financial statements are correct. Option A, auditor does. Option B, auditor does not. Option C, board of directors. Option D, board of governors. Correct answer is option B, auditor does not. MCQs number 26. Dash is a systematic examination of books and records of a business. Option A, auditing. Option B, accounting. Option C, vouching. And option D is verification. Correct answer is option A, auditing. Question number 27. How long is the auditor's term of office? Option A, until the audit is complete. Option B, until the financial statements are prepared. Option C, until the next AGM. And option D is all of above. Correct answer is option C, until the next AGM, that is annual general meeting. Next question is the date on auditor's report should not be option A, later than the date on which account are approved in board's meeting. Option B, the date of AGM. Option C, earlier than the date on which accounts are approved by the management. Correct answer is option C. Question number 29. Which of the following does not belong to auditor's report? Option A, basis of opinion. Option B, involvement of any specialist. Option C, statements of responsibilities of directors and auditors. Correct answer is option C, statements of responsibilities of directors and auditors. आज का हमारा लास्ट MCQs है. Fundamentally, the auditor report gives an opinion on whether the financial statements option A are in accordance with the international standards. Option B have errors, mistakes or frauds. Option C presents the opinion and results of an entity. इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, प्रेजेंट्स द पोजीशन एंड रिजल्ट्स ऑफ एन एंटिटी। सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये थे हमारे आज के एमसीक्यूज़। अगर आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर गलत लगता है तो आपने कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना है। अनटिल नेक्स्ट वीडियो, अल्लाह हाफिज़।